हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जेके कैरियर स्पोर्ट। दोस्तों, जेके एसएसबी के बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं। अकाउंट्स असिस्टेंट, सब इंस्पेक्टर, पटवारी और भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स हैं। यहाँ अगर आप एसएससी, सीजीएल, बैंक एग्जाम्स और रेलवे एग्जामों में प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत ही फ़ायदा मिलेगा। इस वीडियो में मैंने आपके लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ लाए हैं। इन एमसीक्यूज़ में हर एक एग्ज़ाम में 2-3 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। ये सभी क्वेश्चंस एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड है। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच सिटी इज क्लोजेस्ट टू ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर? द राइट आंसर इज उदयपुर सिटी, ट्राईपुरा। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द साउथर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट इन इंडियन टेरिटरी इन ग्रेट निकोबार आइलैंड इज विच पॉइंट? द राइट आंसर इज इंदिरा पॉइंट। विच इज़ द साउथर्न मोस्ट इंडियन मेन लैंड? द राइट आंसर इज कन्याकुमारी। दोस्तों, यहाँ पे एक बात याद रखनी है, कन्याकुमारी इज आल्सो नोन एज कैप कोमोरिन। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ इंडिया? द राइट आंसर इज 3287,263 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच स्ट्रेट separates इंडिया फ्रॉम श्रीलंका? द राइट आंसर इज पालक स्ट्रेट। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which two states in India have maximum number of boundaries? The right answer is Assam and UP. The next question is the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? The right answer is 8. Gujarat, Rajasthan, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. The next question is the west coast of India known as? The right answer is Malabar coast. The next question is the eastern coast of India known as Coromandel coast. The next question is the Sar Creek 96 km tidal estuary in the marshes of Ran of Kutch, originally called as Banganga. The next question is which is the easternmost capital of India? The right answer is Kohima, and this is also the capital of Nagaland. The next question is the Himalayas, also known as? The right answer is abode of snow. The next question is the important hills associated with the eastern Himalayas are? The right answer is Patkai Hills, Mizo Hills, Naga Hills, Gorokhasi and Jantia Hills. These are also known as Purvanchal, sub-geographic region of UP. The next question is the Pamir mountain range called as? The right answer is roof of the world. The next question is the Jawahar tunnel which connects Srinagar to Jammu lies in which pass? The right answer is Banihal Pass, Pir Panjal range. Which is the highest peak in India? The right answer is K2, Godwin Austen. The next question is which pass connects Ladakh region with Xinjiang province of China? The right answer is Aghil Pass. The next question is in which valley in the Kashmir the longest glacier is found? The right answer is Nubra Valley. The glacier name is Saichen Glacier. The next question is the name of lady who first successfully climbed at K2 peak? The right answer is Vanda Radkivis. The next question is which is the second highest peak in India? The right answer is Kanchenjunga. The next question is lowest point of India is? The right answer is Kuttanad in Kerala. The next question is the altitude of Himalayas intercepted the summer monsoon coming from? The right answer is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. The next question is the Himalayas also prevents India from northward movement of? The right answer is Siberia winds. The next question is which range runs across the central India? The right answer is Vindhya range. The next question is which movement range separates North India from South India? The right answer is Aravalli mountain range. The next question is which is the highest point of Aravalli range? The right answer is Guru Shekhar. Next question is Satpura range is a series of how many mountains? The right answer is 7. The next question is the Palgad gap links between the two Indian states. The right answer is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The next question is Thalghat is Ghat connects to? The right answer is Nasik and Mumbai. The next question is which Ghat connects between Pune to Mumbai? The right answer is Borghat. The next question is which is the highest peak of peninsular India? The right answer is Anaimudi. The next question is what's the name of gap which is between Nilgiri and Anaimalai hills? The right answer is Palgad Gap. The next question is which hill separates India from Myanmar? The right answer is Patkai Hills. The next question is which mountain pass connects India and Myanmar? The right answer is Tawangu Pass. The next question is India shares the longest border area with. The right answer is Bangladesh. The next question is the Nidar popular hill station in Jharkhand known as. The right answer is Queen of the Chota Nagpur. The next question is which is the largest plateau in India? The right answer is Deccan Plateau. The next question is which peak is located in North Andaman Islands? The right answer is Saddle Peak. The next question is which is the largest artificial island in India? The right answer is Wellington Island. The next question is what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? The right answer is Port Blair. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.